Today we're walking through Snapchat QR codes in QRStuff. QRStuff lets you create professional QR codes, customize how they look, and manage them from your account when you're signed in. A Snapchat QR code is an instant social connection, allowing users to follow your profile or view your story with one scan, instead of forcing them to type out and search for your username manually. Head to QRStuff.com and open the QR code generator after logging into your account. In the list of data types, select Snapchat. Next, simply enter your Snapchat username into the field. This ensures that anyone who scans the code is directed straight to your profile. Once entered, head to the styling section of your QR code. Here, you can personalize the code's appearance by adjusting its shape, setting custom colors and gradients for the modules and corner eyes. You can even upload your company logo or a center text overlay. You can also set a background and foreground image for added visual flair. Next, move to the Setup tab to configure the advanced tracking and management settings. Give your QR code a clear name, set the desired DPI or resolution for high-quality printing, and enable features like password protection, Slack notifications for new scans, pixel settings, pause functionality, and scan limits. Click the Download button to save finished Snapchat QR code in your preferred format. And that's how easy it is to create a multi-purpose Snapchat QR code using QRStuff.com. Start tracking, editing, and optimizing your campaigns today.